When it comes to connecting your broadband devices, having the right adapter can make all the difference. This RJ45 female-to-female coupler paired with a short RJ45 to RJ11 cable offers a straightforward solution for linking phone lines to network equipment without hassle or guesswork. Designed with precision, the cable features an RJ45 Male 8P4C connector on one end and an RJ11 Male 6P4C on the other. Its straight-through wiring pinout aligns RJ11 pins 2, 3, 4, 5 to RJ45 pins 3, 4, 5, 6, ensuring compatibility with common broadband setups that transmit signals over phone lines. At just 2.5 inches long, the cable is compact enough to fit tight spaces without cluttering your setup. The conductor is a pure copper core with a 26 Aruban Florins size, delivering solid electrical conductivity and minimal signal loss. This means your connection stays strong and stable. The contacts on the cable boast of 50-micron thick gold plating, a detail that significantly enhances corrosion resistance and ensures long-term reliability. This level of quality isn't just for show. It translates into fewer connection issues and clearer signal transmission. RoHS certification guarantees this product meets strict environmental and safety standards. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA, which means you're getting a product built with attention to detail and quality control you can trust. The coupler itself features two female 8P8C sockets housed in durable ABS plastic. It's rated for a current of 1.5 amps, supporting typical broadband device requirements without overheating or failure. Inside, the coupler uses 24 Aruban Florins copper wiring and contacts plated with gold 4 times thicker than standard alternatives. This premium plating protects against wear and corrosion, extending the lifespan of your connection point. If you've ever struggled with signal interruptions or tricky broadband setups, this adapter simplifies the process. It's designed for ease of use, requiring no special tools or technical expertise to install. One satisfied customer shared how this adapter solved their broadband connectivity problem by bridging the phone line signal to their Netgear modem. Delivered quickly and performing exactly as promised, it proved the right choice for their setup. The compact design and straightforward wiring make this adapter a perfect fit for home or office environments. Whether you're upgrading your network or replacing a worn-out connection, it offers a reliable and neat solution. Worth a look if you want to avoid the frustration of incompatible cables or confusing wiring diagrams. This adapter lets you connect devices seamlessly, so you can focus on what really matters, your internet performance. If you're ready to streamline your broadband connections with a product that's easy to install and built to last, this RJ45 female-to-female coupler with RJ45 to RJ11 cable is a solid pick. It combines quality materials, smart design, and proven results. Don't let connection issues slow you down. This adapter provides a dependable link that keeps your devices talking without interruption or signal loss. It's a small investment with clear benefits for your network setup. Try it when you're ready to simplify your wiring and improve your broadband experience. Whether for personal use or professional setups, it's a practical tool that delivers consistent performance. With its gold-plated contacts, pure copper core, and RoHS certification, this adapter stands out for quality and durability. It's a choice you can feel confident about, backed by positive reviews and US manufacturing standards. Connecting your phone line to network gear has never been easier or more reliable. This adapter cuts through the confusion and delivers what you need: a solid, stable connection every time. If that's you, someone who values straightforward, dependable solutions, this RJ45 female-to-female coupler with RJ45 to RJ11 cable deserves your consideration. It's engineered to work smoothly and last long. Make your broadband setup cleaner, simpler, and more efficient. This adapter is a practical addition that enhances connectivity without the fuss. Worth a look if you want dependable performance without compromise.